Hello everyone and welcome back to the ThermoXAV channel. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful features in engineering equation solver called procedures or internal procedures. Procedures in EES allow you to group calculations into a reusable block of code. Unlike simple equations, a procedure can take multiple inputs and produce multiple outputs, making your model much more organized and efficient. EES procedures are very much like EES functions, except that they allow multiple input and outputs. The format of a procedure is something like this, as you can see here. But the first thing you need to know is that procedures must be placed at the top of the equation window before any of the non-function and non-procedure equation. For example, here we have this procedure at top, and when I check this one, there is no error here. But if, for example, I add one simple equation like v equal to 5, so we have actually one function above of this procedure, and if I check here, you will see this error that functions and procedures must be defined above module and the equations in the main program. So I can simply for now delete this one and save this EES program here now. Then the procedure name test here in this example can be any valid EES variable name. And in this example, A and B are inputs and X and Y are outputs. And each procedure must have at least one input and one output. And as you can see here, each output variable must be defined by an equation with the output variable name on the left of this equal sign, as you can see here. And finally, at the end, an end statement close this procedure here. And then to use the procedure, you need to place a call statement anywhere within your equation. So you can use this call statement and then define and solve your equation with giving the input like here. So for example, if I solve this procedure equation, you will see after a few short time you will receive your outputs, which here is x equal 108 and y is equal to this value, as you can see here. So in this case, I simply gave this input value 5 and 7. So based on this 5 and 7, it will be put here instead of A and B, and then it will solve this X and Y and give you the result as you can see here. So this is our outputs in this case. The number and also the order of the inputs and output in the call statement argument list must exactly match the procedure declaration statement. This 5 and 7 is correspond to this A and B, and here X and Y exactly like this. Last but not least, which is a very important part here, we can actually give the outputs here in this call statement, and then EES can calculate the inputs based on this equation. For example, if I put here A and B as our input and give here like, for example, 0 and 0, so these equations to both are equal to 0. So then I can solve this equation, and this time we will get A and B. So let's see. I press on the solve button, and then here, as you can see, we will have our inputs like A and B, which is roughly 3.8 and here 3.1 in this example. So that is very important and useful in the EES program. You can use it simply in your program. So that's it for today's short tutorial, and thanks for watching.